if you're experiencing low performance in Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to optimize your gameplay. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game menu. Navigate to the settings and reduce options such as resolution, shadows, textures, and effects to improve performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of your game files through the Epic Games launcher. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, ensuring the game runs optimally. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. This setting allows your hardware to run at maximum capacity, which can significantly enhance gaming performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Fortnite performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.